In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their continued acts of state terrorism have martyred 45 Kashmiris, including a woman so far this year. According to a report compiled by research section of Kashmir Media Service, of those martyred Kashmiris, 7 were killed by the troops in fact encounters and custody. The Indian troops, police personnel, and sleuths of notorious National Investigation Agency arrested over 500 Hurriyat leaders, activists, youth, students, journalists, and human rights activists during the period. Pertinently, Indian police claimed that Indian forces personnel have killed 41 persons this year so far in occupied territory. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, in a tweet, castigated the Modi-led Indian government and its authorities in occupied Jammu and Kashmir for dismissing 5 employees, terming it a move to disempower Kashmiris. The Modi regime terminated the services of 5 government employees over their affiliation with the ongoing freedom struggle. Meanwhile, 22 houses were gutted in a devastating blaze at Gada Colony in Noorbagh area of Srinagar during the intervening night of Wednesday and Thursday. 4 persons, including a firefighter, sustained injuries in the incident. Mocking tall claims of Modi government of bringing normalcy in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the US State Department, in its latest travel advisory, urged the American citizens not to travel to occupied territory, citing the prevailing grim situation in the territory. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter leader Mahmood Ahmed Sagar, in a letter addressed to leaders of P5 countries, has urged the world leaders to help resolve the lingering Kashmir dispute in accordance with the wishes of Kashmiri people and United Nations Security Council resolutions for ensuring permanent peace in South Asia. In the letter, he also highlighted the miserable plight of the illegally detained Kashmiris and India's repressive policies to stifle the democratic dissent in occupied territory. World Press Freedom Watchdogs, including International Center for Journalists and International Press Institute, have condemned the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government for stopping the award-winning journalist Rana Ayub from flying to Europe. She was scheduled to speak about intimidation of journalists and rights activists in India at several international events. Rana Ayub was stopped by the authorities at Mumbai airport from traveling abroad on Thursday, as India's Enforcement Directorate has issued a lookout notice for her. Hindu terrorists threat kill Christians and vandalize their places of worship with Shi'i impunity in India under fascist Narendra Modi's rule. A Delhi-based NGO, United Christian Forum, said that in 2021, 486 incidents of violence against Christians in India were recorded in the year, 75% increase than the previous year.